How do you find out what's important to your clients? This is critical with value pricing, because value pricing is all about coming up with a price based on value. But first, what's important to them? My name is Mark Wickersham. I'm an author and speaker helping the profession master value pricing. So here's the simple answer. If you want to find out what your clients value, ask. It's really simple. We need to ask. Because when we understand what's important to them, when we understand what they value, we can build that into our solutions, we can communicate those things better, and when they see more value, they will be willing to pay a higher price, and we can and should charge higher prices, which then allows us to have the resource to deliver on those promises, deliver huge amounts of value. So the key answer is we need to ask. We need to ask them questions. So, for example, we might want to know, who do they want to work with within your firm? Who do they want to be the person they meet with every year, that they get the advice from? That's an important question, because different people have different values. Some clients will want to work with the senior partner. They value being the opportunity to work with the person who heads up the firm. Other clients are more attached to the brand of the firm as a whole, but don't need to work with you, for example. Everybody's different. You need to ask to find out. You also might want to know, for example, whether what they want is compliance work, or to what extent do they value business advice. Do they want advice as well? Do they want you just to do the tax returns, just do the bookkeeping, or do they also want you to do some advice, help them increase their profits, their cash flow, reduce their taxes? You need to find out what's valuable to the client. So the question then is, well, how do you do that? And the answer is there are so many different ways, so many different mechanisms and ways of getting feedback and learning from clients. It could be a simple questionnaire, a system that you have, a questionnaire that you go through as part of your client sign-up process where you ask them questions. It could even be something right at the front end before you even meet them. It could be something they complete online. It could be that you get into the habit every year of asking your clients via an annual feedback form that you send out to all your clients, asking for their feedback. And as part of that, ask them what more they would like from an accountant. Do they value speed of turnaround? Do they value advisory work? It could be something you do as a feedback form at the end of every project. It could be something you do at the end of every meeting. The key thing is, if you want to find out what people value, just ask them. You need to put in some various mechanisms in place to ask people what they want, and then when you've done that, make sure you give them options, choices that gives them the things they want, because they will then pay you higher prices. A great tool for doing this, if you want to systemize it, is using cloud pricing. That's a process that enables you every single engagement to ask the client those questions before you arrive at the price. If you want to find out more about cloud pricing, you'll find a link below. I'll also put below some links to some other resources where I can help you on your value pricing journey. Thank you so much for watching this video.